this is my old door. My old bedroom door. Oh man. Storage room? Oh man, it's so packed in there too. This is my old door. He took it out. See, I tried fixing it a long time ago. Let's see the backyard. Oh look! My dad's old lawnmower. Yeah, this is my dad's old Murray something. It's my dad's old lawnmower. Mushrooms. Oh man, look at my room, it's gone. Bathroom, yeah. Bathroom, we have to get a good view of that. I think he's taking it out. Ooh, he put hardware. Yeah, so it's my dad's push mower. Pull rope's missing. Well, it's been here for a while, so probably since the day we moved out. I'm just gonna rip that off. I'm gonna take this with me. But anyway, yeah. I'm gonna take this with me so I can remember my dad's old lawnmower. Take this. Plus he won't care because it's broken anyway. So yeah, dad's old lawnmower, taking this with me. So, oh, he's put a lot of hardware here too. One last peek in there. Yep. Oh, this looks like a U-Haul. Oh, kitchen. I can't get a good view of the kitchen, but I can't really get a good view. Okay, he has the AC on. Somehow when we left, we had the power shut off, so I don't know how he got the power back on, but, well, I'm taking this with me. So, it's kind of dirty, but I'll take it with me. I thought they got rid of my dad's mower. It's still here. Yeah, he doesn't care about the junk we left here. He just cares about the house. Oh, man. He's cleaning it up. Good. I don't have to climb on the AC, but I'm going to try to get a good view. Yeah. This is how I used to climb every single time. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, he's put hardware. But anyway, that's the house. Okay. Well, goodbye, house. And at least I brought this with me.